All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Tuesday verbs. So discuss, discuss, discuss. To talk, talk about something. So to talk about something. There we are. Very good. Yeah. I need to discuss the plans with you. Yes. Yeah. They are discussing the ideas with me. Yeah. See, they are discussing the ideas with me. How cool is that? They will discuss that in the meeting. They will discuss that in the meeting. They are discussing it now. Yes. That was our discussion. Discussion about the topic earlier. Yeah. How cool is that? We discussed it earlier. Yeah. Well, I thought they discussed it yesterday. Maybe. Yeah. You and I should discuss it. Yeah. We are discussing the plans now. Yeah, we're discussing the plans now. Very important. So I am discussing the topic with others before I teach it. How are you going to discuss it online? How can you discuss it with them? They might not understand you. Yeah, discuss. So, discuss, to talk about something. Yeah. Now, can you use discuss in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy by searching by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.